Have you ever thought about starting a YouTube channel? You created the channel, you put the name up, and then you shot some videos and you posted some of the videos, and some of the videos got some views. But after a while, nobody's watching your channel. You got great content, you got wisdom, you got knowledge, but nobody watched the videos. Your mama watched it, your cousin watched it, your daddy watched it, your dog even watched it, but he unsubscribed because he said you're not being authentic. You gave up. You said it's for the young kids. I ain't trying it no more because this is a young kid thing. YouTube is for young kids. That's what you're thinking. But I'm here to tell you, if you over 50, I want you to get off your butt and start a YouTube channel. That's right, I said it. Get off your butt and start a YouTube channel. And I'm going to give you some reasons why you should start that channel. Let's get into it. The first reason you should start a YouTube channel is because you got too much knowledge and wisdom inside of you that you're holding hostage. You over 50 and you went through so much experiences. You went through bankruptcy, you went through divorce, you went through losing your job 4 or 5 times. You don't want to share that on how you overcame that? Shame on you. You over 50 and you up there holding that knowledge hostage. Don't you know you got people 20 and 30 years old, they struggling out here, they're looking for an OG, they're looking for an uncle, they're looking for an auntie to help them out to get out of the situation that they in? And you overcame it and you're holding it hostage. You can only talk to so many people live, but you could talk to billions and millions of people if you go on YouTube. Start that channel. You know you got it inside your heart to start a channel, but you don't even think that you are good enough. Shame on you. If your son and daughter come to you and ask you, hey, Unc, yo, I need a new job. I need a new career. Can you help me? You'll tell them, oh, this is what you do. Do this, that, and the other. But now, you got a whole opportunity to talk to millions of people. You talking about, oh man, I'm scared. What you scared of? You over 50. You shouldn't be scared of nothing. You went through the depression. You went through the recession. You went through all these things and you still here. If you still here, you need to get your butt on YouTube. The same thing for me. In 2012, I started a channel. I gave up. Why? Because nobody was watching my channel. I figured I wasn't good enough. I figured nobody wanted to hear what I had to say. But I relaunched this channel in 2024 last year and got monetized in 5 months. It blew the hair off my head. See, I'm bald-headed. It blew the hair off my head. I'm like, oh man, I didn't know what I was doing. I got monetized. But I'm telling you, if you over 50, you need to get your butt on YouTube. Even if you don't know what you're doing. You know you got a gift. You know you got people assigned to you. Oh, you didn't know you got people assigned to you? You got people assigned to you waiting to hear what you have to say. Don't you know people searching in the search engine, searching for answers, and you got the answer sitting inside your heart and you holding it hostage? What's wrong with you? I'm going to tell you the straight up truth. You got a message that nobody else can say. You got a message nobody else can share. Why? Because you're over 50 with 50 years experience. Since you got 50 years experience, why are you holding it? Because you think YouTube is for the young kids? Nah. Young kids don't even know what they're talking about. They're talking about entertainment. They're talking about sports. They're talking about playing video games. But yeah, you can talk about life. You can talk about how it feels to lose your job after 25 years on a job. You can talk about how it feels to get divorced and start a new marriage. How it is to get a car repossessed. You can talk about so many things. You can talk about how to invest your money in your 20s so when you get to your 60s and 70s, you can be a millionaire because all the things that you went through. I'm telling people now, if I knew half the stuff that I know now in my 20s, I'll be a billionaire. Yeah, I said a billionaire. Why? Because if I had this knowledge, I would have started investing in my 20s. If I had this knowledge, I would have bought more real estate in my 20s. If I had this knowledge, I would have saved more and my whole life would be different. How dare you hold that information within your heart because you think YouTube is for the young kids? How dare you hold that in your heart thinking you don't have nothing to share? Nobody want to hear what you got to say. I want to hear what you got to say. I'm over 50. I want to hear what you got to say because it can help me. I don't know everything, but the things that you know, I don't know. There's some things that I know you don't know. But if I share it on YouTube like I've been sharing on YouTube for the past year, all these people subscribe to the channel. Hey, Unc, yo, thanks for that information. Hey, Unc, thanks for sharing that. Hey, Unc. They call me an Unc. I didn't expect that. I just got on YouTube saying, I'm going to get on YouTube and share my information. That's why I call this channel my time, because this is my experience, this is my life, and I share my life experiences because I know there's people assigned to me. You have people assigned to you. Since you don't know that, you're not operating in that. Once you operate knowing that, you know you got people waiting for you. There's people waiting for you. Don't be scared of YouTube. You thinking nobody want to hear what you got to say. People want to hear what you got to say. You have so much value. Even if, let's just say you've been working at McDonald's for 20 years. You're a manager working at McDonald's. You think that's not a good job? Think that's not nothing nobody want to hear about? I want to hear about it. You think working as a mechanic is not good enough? I know you make money as a mechanic. But some people say, oh, mechanic, they don't make no money. Oh, janitor, they don't make no money. Don't you know there's a story that's floating around that a janitor had millions of dollars when he died? He was a janitor for over like 30 or 40 years, but he had over $1 million, a couple of $1 million in the bank when he died. Why? Because he was investing a little bit of money that he had in the stock market. And when he passed away, he had millions and millions of dollars in stock. Why? Because he took the knowledge that he had, invested in stock. Took the money that he had, invested in his stock. And over time, it compounded upon itself. What if he would have told that story to a 15-year-old? What if he would have told that story on YouTube? And somebody who's in their 20s, they'll hear that message, they'll start operating in that message, and they'll be like, man, I got how much money? Because I heard Unc on YouTube saying, invest in stock. I heard My Time said, yo, buy a house. I heard My Time said, get some money market accounts. You can get at least 4, 5, 6% interest, and it'll compound upon itself. Get your butt on YouTube. Stop waiting. The longer you wait, the more people is going to be waiting for you. Think about it. There's 2 billion people on YouTube every day searching for answers. You can be an answer to one of those persons that's looking on YouTube for an answer. Listen, I'm here to help you get your butt on YouTube. Why? Because it's critical. You can be the person that can take somebody out of depression. You can be the person that stops somebody from committing suicide. You can be the person that can encourage the next president. Why? Because you have that gift that's inside of you. Since you got a gift inside of you, don't hold back. Since you got a gift inside of you, keep it as a present. Wrap it up. And once you wrap it up and you give it to somebody, they're going to say to you, thank you so much for this gift. Number one, remember, you have a message. You have people assigned to you. You have a gift. So don't be afraid of YouTube. Don't be afraid thinking that nobody will hear your message. Don't be afraid thinking that nobody's going to watch your channel. Nobody will know who you are anyway. Put the message out there on YouTube. Share the gift, and people will come. And once they receive that gift and know that you're authentic, they're going to say, thank you so much for don't thinking it's robbery sharing that gift on YouTube. I want you to answer the call. If you're over 50 and want to get on YouTube and you just need a little push, put in the comment section, #push. Listen, you ever had your favorite uncle or your favorite auntie tell you something that you was like, man, I wish you would have told me that sooner, or they told you something and you like, man, I didn't know it was like that. You mean that's all I got to do, A, B, and C, and I can have $10,000? You mean to tell me I can buy a new car? You mean to tell me I can have a new house if I got a 680 credit score? I thought I had to have an 800 credit score. There's some information out there that if you share it with the right person who receives it, their whole life can change. Their whole world can change. Why? Because they got some information that is life-changing. You are the same person. If you're over 50, you're the same person. You can share that information that only you know. You tested it. You tried it. It worked for you. Now it can work for the person who received the same information that you're sharing. Don't you hold that information in. If you're over 50, get your butt on YouTube. I can't say it enough, because if it wasn't for some people saying you have a message that you have to share, I wouldn't be on YouTube. If it wasn't for people telling me, oh man, thank you for sharing that message, man, you helping me out, I wouldn't still be on YouTube. I was thinking about quitting a couple of times when I relaunched the channel, but People kept saying thank you. That's what's going to happen to you. People are going to tell you thank you when you feel like giving up, when you feel like quitting. They're going to encourage you so much. You're going to be like, man, I was holding that in so long. I'm glad I let it out. You are somebody's uncle. You are somebody's auntie. You're sharing that gift. They're going to receive the gift. They're going to receive you. Don't think it's strange you watching this video right now, because this video is straight for you. I'm pointing directly to you because you need to get your butt on YouTube. Trust me on this. Once you get over the fear of the camera, once you get over the fear of nobody watching my videos, once you get over that and share from your heart, you want to see, it's going to be worth it.